Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Carburetor tool set is probably one of the most essential investments for any small engine enthusiast or DIY mechanic looking to maintain peak performance and fuel efficiency in their lawnmowers, chainsaws, trimmers, and other outdoor power equipment, ensuring smooth operation and extending the lifespan of these valuable machines with precise adjustments that factory settings often miss. Number 5. MOTOALL 12-piece Carburetor Adjustment Tool Kit. Keep your two-cycle small engines running smoothly with this comprehensive adjustment kit. It's designed for precise carburetor tuning, ensuring optimal performance for your outdoor power equipment. This versatile kit works with popular brands like Zama, Walbro, Stihl, Husqvarna, and Echo. It's your go-to solution for a wide range of small engines. Whether you're working on a string trimmer, chainsaw, leaf blower, or hedge trimmer, this tool is perfect. It supports various machines that require carburetor adjustments. Beyond adjustment, this kit also includes a handy cleaning set. Featuring a hex wrench, cleaning needles, and brushes, it helps maintain your carburetor and fuel lines. You'll receive 12 carburetor adjustment tools, a full cleaning kit, and a convenient carrying case. All the essentials are included for easy organization and transport. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. This kit offers a truly comprehensive package for your maintenance needs. If you're looking for a complete set that includes not just the adjustment tools but also a dedicated cleaning kit, this is an excellent choice. It ensures you have everything to keep your carburetors running smoothly and cleanly. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source. No reviews found in the provided source. Number 4. Hipa 12-piece Carburetor Adjustment Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for a wide range of two-cycle small engines. It's compatible with popular brands like Zama, Stihl, Husqvarna, and many more, covering trimmers, chainsaws, and blowers. It's perfect for DIY projects and outdoor use, helping you fix common issues like unstable idling or poor acceleration. You can also quickly tune your carburetor to adapt to changes in altitude and temperature. Featuring a square handle, it allows for easy and precise 1/4 turn adjustments. The finely machined tip ensures a perfect fit, providing maximum torque without slipping, and each tool is clearly marked for quick identification. Each screwdriver is crafted from heat-treated, high-quality special steel for superior strength and resistance to bending. Its nickel-plated surface also provides excellent protection against rust and corrosion. The durable EVA carrying case keeps all your tools protected and organized. With built-in mesh lining and elastic bands, it ensures everything stays secure, whether you're in your backyard or a remote location. This kit also includes a reusable, flexible stainless steel cleaning tool. It helps prevent carburetor clogs and engine problems, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly. What we like. Precision and durability are at the core of this set. If you value exact adjustments and tools built to last, its finely machined tips and heat-treated steel will impress you. This set is perfect for serious DIYers who demand reliable performance and easy identification of tools. What people say. Number 3. Hipa 14-piece Carburetor Adjustment Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for most two-stroke engines. It works seamlessly with a wide range of brands and outdoor power equipment, ensuring your tools run smoothly. Easily fix common problems like unstable idling or poor acceleration. It also allows for quick tuning, helping your equipment adapt to varying altitudes and temperatures for optimal performance. Featuring a square handle and finely machined tips, this tool ensures precise 1/4 turn adjustments. It provides maximum torque without slipping, making every tune-up accurate and efficient. Crafted from heat-treated, nickel-plated special steel, these screwdrivers offer exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion. They are engineered for long-lasting performance in any environment. The durable EVA carrying case keeps all 14 tools and the cleaning kit organized and secure. Take them from your backyard to remote locations with ease, preventing loss or damage. The reusable stainless steel cleaning tool is highly flexible and rust-resistant. It helps prevent carburetor clogs and engine problems, extending the life of your equipment. This package includes 14 specialized adjustment tools, a carburetor cleaning brush kit, and a robust carrying case. Everything you need for comprehensive engine maintenance is right here. What we like. If variety is what you seek, this set expands your options with 14 different tools. Its wide application covers an extensive range of two-stroke engines, making it incredibly versatile. This is ideal for users who encounter a broad spectrum of small engine models and need a tool for almost every job. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. 10 PCS Carburetor Adjustment Tool Kit. Get ready to tackle any small engine adjustment with ease. This comprehensive 10-piece kit is designed for common two-cycle carburetors. It includes all the essential tools you need, featuring 10 unique types like splined, D, Pac-Man, and hexagon. No more searching for the right adjuster. This kit works with popular brands such as Sears, Husqvarna, Echo, and many others. It's compatible with any engine utilizing splined adjustment screws. Crafted from long-lasting stainless steel, each screwdriver offers an ergonomic grip for comfortable use. They are built to last and perform reliably. Each tool is clearly marked on the handle for quick recognition. Plus, a convenient toolkit keeps all 10 pieces organized and protected in one place. This indispensable kit is perfect for maintaining your own equipment. It also makes it easy to assist friends and family with their small engine needs. What we like. This 10-piece kit focuses on the most common adjustment needs with user comfort in mind. If you're maintaining personal equipment and occasionally helping friends, its ergonomic grip and clearly marked handles make it incredibly user-friendly. It's a solid, straightforward choice for everyday maintenance. What people say. Number 1. 11-pack Carburetor Adjustment Tool Kit. Maintain your two-cycle small engines with ease using this comprehensive 11-pack adjustment tool kit. It's designed to help you tune up various carburetors efficiently. This kit provides all the common tools you'll need, including splined, D-shaped, Pac-Man, and other unique adjusters. You'll have the right tool for every two-cycle carburetor engine. It's compatible with popular brands like Echo, Poulan, Husqvarna, and many more. These tools work with most two-cycle small engines featuring splined carburetor designs. Each tool is crafted with a sturdy metal pole and an ergonomic plastic handle for comfortable use. Their durable construction ensures reliable performance for all your routine maintenance tasks. Use them for string trimmers, chainsaws, blowers, and lawn mowers. They are perfect for both DIY repairs and professional routine maintenance on various garden power tools. The kit comes with a handy carrying bag, keeping all 11 tools organized and secure. Each tool is clearly marked for quick identification, making storage and transport simple. What we like. Built for robust performance across various equipment, this 11-pack offers sturdy construction. If you need a reliable set for diverse tasks like maintaining trimmers, chainsaws, and lawn mowers, its durable build ensures consistent results. This kit is perfect for those who tackle a variety of garden power tools. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.